Hey boo, hey, how are you doing? So let's go on your phone and locate your Instagram app. This would be the quickest way to get a link to IdentityIQ. I'm using our affiliate link. You'll type in Pipeline Pre-Star. And as you see, we pop right up right here. So select our name. Then, you can check out our page. Make sure you hit that follow button. We appreciate it. Yes, our page is cute. Check out some of my videos. It's very educational and entertaining. So you'll click the link in our bio. And then I want you to scroll down and select the Identity IQ tab. And this is where you will be able to get access to our affiliate link. So we'll select it and it'll prompt you to the Identity IQ. With Identity IQ, if you use our affiliate link, you will get a 7-day free trial for only $1. And if you want to scroll down and check out the benefits to answer any of your questions, then you can just check out like what all it comes with the 7-day trial. And they have some wonderful products available as well. When you use our link, if you do decide to keep the service, the credit monitoring service, with our link, it only charges you starting at $24.99. If you don't use our link, I think it starts anywhere from $29.99 and up. So you will save a couple of bucks on that. So let's start our membership. We're going to type in our basic information, which they're just asking for your first and last name and email address. Make sure you write down your login information for future reference. And right here, you want to also make sure that you're typing in the correct information as well. And use an email address that you use regularly. So if you do decide to keep the membership, that you'll get your alerts sent straight to your phone. It'll prompt you to the next page where also it just asks you to create a password and enter your current address. And once again, do not forget to write down your password. I know it's something simple, but we forget to write down our password after we create it, think that we're going to remember it. And sometimes we forget just like a number or a letter or something like that. So here I'm just going to type in 123 Main Street, Atlanta. And then I'm going to put in the state, which is Georgia. And then I'm going to add a zip code 3002. And then I'm going to hit next. And also remember with your password, you want to also have a capital letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a symbol in your password. Of course, I don't use this password. This is just for exercise purpose only. So we're going to change the lowercase p to a capital P, and there you go. It prompts us to the next page where it asks for your social security number, your date of birth, and phone number. You'll also enter that as well. And you'll put in your basic information, and then, of course, you'll hit next. It's also telling you today is only due $1, which we stated in the first beginning. And then you see below the dollar, it'll say renewal for $24.99 per month, and you can cancel at any time. Once you put in your basic information on this page, it'll prompt you to the next page where you're actually purchasing a free trial. And it also asks you additional security questions to match what's on file. If you're having trouble with your account, they do offer customer service where you could call. And that is located at the top of this page. You just have to scroll up a little bit. And it'll be sitting up to your right. The phone symbol. And there it goes to your right. And what you'll do is you can hit that phone symbol, and then a number will pop up at the bottom. And then you can just dial in the number if your account is locked. When your account is locked, it only means that the information they have on file for you is not matching the information that you inputted. And then the only thing you have to do is just call them to get it unlocked. And then that will give you access to your credit report. I hope this video helped you. Talk to you guys soon.